Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add a formula in Notion to Checkbox. So let's get started. Notion doesn't let you place formulas directly inside a checkbox property, but there's a simple workaround using a database table. Start by opening the page where you want to build this. Click anywhere and type /table, then choose Table Full Page or Table View from Database. This creates a proper database where formulas and checkboxes can work together. Once the table appears, rename the first column to something like Test Name, just to keep things organized. Now click plus Add Property and choose Checkbox. This gives you the checkbox column you'll be using later. Next, add one more property by clicking plus Add Property again, and this time choose Formula. This is where your logic will go. Click into the Formula field, type in whatever expression you want to apply, maybe a condition that marks a task complete, checks a date, or calculates a status based on your setup. Once you enter the formula, Notion will automatically evaluate it for every row, and your checkbox column can work alongside it. This setup is perfect for task tracking, automation logic, or conditional checks inside your workflow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.